Hey guys, Davo here. Today we're going to be looking at some 3 products that I bought in Khon Kaen in Isan that they make there. The first one is the cashew nut. That's it there. And these are made in Khon Kaen, and this company's been going for like well over 80 years. I think 1946 they've been going, and they're very well known. People all over Thailand go there to buy their products. So here we go, we'll open it up. Okay, they're in a little packets inside. I'll open one of those. That's very nice. It's like the cashews are caramelized. Not too sweet, but very yummy. Okay, that's the first one. That is really nice. I'm going to enjoy eating these later. Okay, the next one is a sesame bar. That's in there. I love sesame. Okay, they're easy to open the packs. They've got a little thing there where you tear along. And I like how they're all individually wrapped so that they won't go stale. Okay, let's have a squeeze of this one. Sorry it's a bit noisy, it's all the birds and that going off around here. I'm doing it outside because it's a lovely day. Well, every day is a lovely day in Thailand. If you don't know, I'm in Karat, which is also known as Nakhon Ratchasima. It's about 4.5 hours drive northeast of Bangkok, up in Isan. It's the gateway to Isan. I think it's the biggest city in Isan. Okay, that's it there. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. This one is really nice. Not too sweet. Have a look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. And the last pack I've got here is the almond bar. That's it there. I'll open this one up. I didn't realise they were all individually wrapped, which I think is a great idea. I think I paid 40 baht for each pack. I wish I could give one of these to all of you to try. But, it's impossible. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Like a caramelly glazed on it. Oh, that is so nice. Actually, the whole 3 of them, all really nice, and I've got to really enjoy these. I've got to stack on the weight, I think, before I go back to Australia. Okay. I hope you found this video interesting. If you can give us a big like, I'll really appreciate it. It helps the algorithms. Drop a comment. I love reading the comments and getting back to you. I'm a little bit behind on the comments at the moment, so I've been doing a lot of traveling, and when I'm on the road, it's very, very hard to get good Wi-Fi. It keeps dropping out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, because it really encourages me to do more content like this. And let me know if you like the food reviews. Some people don't like him, but some do. So, yeah. Okay. Until my next one, stay safe. Have a great day. We see you all soon. Bye-bye. Ciao.